hands-on man. That's what I mean about partnerships. Nobody can do this job alone, but to continue to massage and go deeper into the authentic communication. But he told me, he says, look, this is a number they can call. I want them to call me. I'll delegate it, sure, but it'll get done. And then we'll know which lines need, which phone lines need to be delegated for,
and of course,
this or that.
This transfers right into all of these services. They're going to cost money. And,
not necessarily.
Not necessarily, but
not necessarily. That's what I wouldn't say. I wouldn't say they're going to cost a lot of money. No.
Well, over the past few years, that property taxes have gone up, just to maintain the level of service coming through the budget.
Right.
What is your view on property taxes, city services?
My view goes back to Proposition 2.5 in the 80s when we passed it, and then so forth and so on when it went through, to limit the property taxes as much as we can. And that's always been my feeling. But we've always found a way to get taxes another way.